All right, so thank you very much, everyone, being patient with us. And the next demonstration is our capsule toy sound Gashat 01. All right, so of course, from the Kamen Rider exit lines, and capsule toy finally introduced. Okay, so well, I thought that they're gonna introduce it a little bit more earlier. I don't know why, but they just put that items just released it just before the New Year's days today, and so we received that. And unfortunately, it's really unfortunate, we only have received the one box like this. Okay, so the one box like this means that less choice, and not much people can get hands on it. Okay, I counted, and 25 and 20 capsules are inside, only 20. Okay, and then this is a whole box that we received it, and that's it. Okay, so I'm sorry, but we have to activate that this coming Sunday, actually tomorrow on the New Year's Day at 8 p.m. Japan Standard Time, and they have to go. Okay, and so there are, I believe that there are rare items, but let's take a look at that. Okay. So this is the inside of the capsules, and actually I already opened the capsules and taken out most of the items, except the one that I needed for my demonstrations. Okay, so let me just show you. This is the here we go, like this. Okay, this is the new capsule. The Bandai started to use it, and when you open it, it goes like this. Okay. All right. So you get the sticker, okay? It's the Mighty Action X sticker, and 2 stickers over here. The one for the labels, and then the picture. Okay. All right. So yeah, this is it, and it says the Gashapon Sound Rider Gashat 01. Gashapon Sound Rider Gashat 01. And the items that are included in this is the Mighty Action X Gashat, and the same items, but comes with the all the Kira Kira Kinpika, the rare versions. Okay, pink mech versions. It says pink mech versions, and also the other one is the Tador Quest Gashat, the normal one, and also same again, the Tador Quest Gashat, but with the Pika Pika blue mech versions. Blue mech versions. Okay. All right, and then we already opened up everything in the case. Like I said, this is the only one case that we received it, and I found it only 2 there. Each individual Tador Quest one, and then a Mighty Action X Gashat for only the special versions. So I'm sorry, but we don't have the the rare versions to sell this coming Sunday. I'm so sorry about that, because I have to use it for the demonstrations. So rest of that, will go on sales, of course. Okay, and let's take a look at them here. Let me just bring that everything here on the case. Then you make the space. Yeah, this is what you get inside. Okay, the mini catalog, sticker, and 2 bags. Okay, so let's start. Okay, just check it. This is the Kinpika versions. All right, so let me just open it. Alright, so start from here. There we go. Oh, lots of parts. So actually you really have to assemble them. Wow. All right, so this is what you get. All right, so many parts. Okay, so this is probably the main sound parts. You know, I can see that, you know, the battery case over here, the small speaker. All right, and place that for the stickers. And this one also as well, nothing here. And the plastic cover case, I can see the exit. Okay, and the handle, and also the miniature exit figure comes with it. Cute. Okay. Oh, on the back it's empty. All right. Really? Okay, so you know what? Yeah, I remember that, you know, Kamen Rider Drive, they for their Capsule toys, that it comes with those minifigures. At the time, they have the you know, the back side of the minifigures of the Kamen Rider Drive. Okay, but it's gone. Okay, to save the cost. Out of way, you know, there's the way. I mean, the Bandai, yeah. It's a great way, and cutting costs. Wow, it's even that, you know, back of this small miniature figures. You know. Okay, so no comprendo. All right, so let's do that. Let's do the assemble. Okay, so here's the how to make that assembles here. Aha. Okay. Start with this. Koka. Okay. So this one, they say plate. Okay, yes, it's plate, and goes in here. All right, fit in, and then 差し込みます。取って parts. Okay, so this part will go here. All right, and this one. Okay. Whoa.こうか。これが最後にね。はい、これよ。Come on. あらら。一緒に入ったか。Okay, there you go. Got it. Now it's a sticker. Okay, so we have the two stickers. And this is probably the hardest part. Aha. Okay, nice. And we need a sticker for the here. I believe this way, huh? Okay. There we go. Yay. Okay, so just like that, and let's go for the next one. I believe that this is the standard versions. Okay, comes with the same sticker and cut roll. All right, so the same color. I mean, less kira kira, but same parts. right. So do the assembling here and attached. Okay, attach this one here. Pretty simple. There you go. Cool. There we go. Got in. And of course, we have miniature figures. All right. So now I have 2. And applying the sticker. There you go. Over here. Oops. Not quite. Okay. All right, the 2 of them. All right. Pretty. So we have 2, and let's go for the toddler one now. All right. Okay, so 2 more capsules. All right. Turtle Quest sticker. Oh yeah, this is the rare version now. Shiny. Oh wow. See that? Okay. All right, so these needs to be assembled again, and let's do this here. Set. There you go. There you go. Now sticker. There you go. Beautiful. All right. And then the small parts. There you go. Complete. All right. Great items. All right. Now, let's go for the normal one now. これか。Still needs to open it. and sticker. The parts. All right, and then goes here. There you go. And the side sticker goes in here. Okay. Hello Quest. All right, so now it's complete. Everything. Comes with the small miniature figures. Mini pamphlets. Okay, so let's do the demonstrations with the gamer driver. Okay. All right, so I want you to know this is a Gashat, capsule toy, and so it does not have any LEDs, but only the sound. Okay, so that's quite a challenge, but let's try it out. Okay, so let's start with the Mighty Action X with the Kira Kira versions, and I believe that all the sounds are the same, but let me just take off the tog. Okay, looks like only 2 batteries has been used. Okay, so here we go. Let's hear the sounds. Oh, I see. Only it's. Oh. Okay, so it looks like it sounds like only 4 sounds included. Okay, so when you slide it in, so let's see what's gonna happen. And there's no lights, so okay. How about if I open it? All right, and okay, nothing happens. Okay, I think that's it. And then let me just bring that, the holder. How about the Gashat attack? Okay. Oh, it doesn't have the Kimewaza sound. All right. Interesting. Okay. So for the holster, with the holder, that you can activate that only the two sounds, the attack sounds. Oh, sorry. The Kimewaza sound. Explosion sounds. Okay. Okay, game clear. So the only 4 sounds inside, and I believe it should be the same one, so I will skip this one. And but how about the title quest one here? Okay, so 4 sounds also. Let me take. Okay, so 4 sounds. Let's try this here on the gamer driver. And Gashat attack. Okay, same explosion sound. All right, there you have it. All right, so these are the capsule toys, and we received it only for what, 20 capsules, and I already used that for the demonstration for them. So list of please excuse us, but we only have found that demonstration version. I mean 2 Kira versions, so we have to keep this for our demonstration versions. And list of these 2, unfortunately, goes on store tomorrow activation time at 8 p.m. Japan Standard Time on the New Year's days. Okay, and then we don't have much. Only have what 8 for each. Okay, so 8 for each. If you're interested in them, please take that, and we will continue to get that this series. And then we already made an order of the Sound Gashat series, the capsule toy 02. And should be coming soon in the next year. I mean 2017 earlier, January or February. I'm sure that's January, yes. Okay, so well, I hope that we can get some more, not just one box. Okay, so thank you very much for being patient with us for the demonstrations, and this is all that, and thank you very much. We will take a little bit break here, and I'll come back. We will go for the Dangerous Zombie Gashat and Bug Star Backup. Okay, coming back with that, and thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon. I'll come back.